In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Interactive Brokers support. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website over here, so interactivebrokers.com, and then you want to click on support top right. And then from here, if you are an individual, you want to click on for individuals, but if you are an institution, you want to click on for institutions. So I'm going to click for individuals right now, and it's going to open up this support page here where if you scroll down, you'll be able to see where it says find answers fast. You have a bunch of different options to reach out and contact support. So here you have email, you can click on here and it's going to basically tell you how to do this. You have the option to also phone support. So if you click on over here, it's going to take you to a separate support page where if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the different phone numbers for different regions and countries basically, so locations. And then you also have the chat room where you can basically chat with a live representative over here, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can do and a bunch of ways to actually reach out, but this is how to basically contact support. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.